Okay, so you guys know Roblox voice chat has recently came out, and this has honestly given me a lot of ideas. Now, one of them was to create a Roblox rap battles game, but with voice chat. I honestly think that this would be hilarious and a lot of fun, so in today's video, I'm going to be doing exactly that. You'll see how good this turned out, okay? Anyways, enjoy. Okay, so we started off like every other game with just a blank base plate. Now, the first thing I needed was a map. Okay, so I wanted something pretty simple, just kind of something that has like a little bit of a floor, and then some sort of stage with the, the rappers up here, okay? Now, don't mind my drawing here, I'm not the best. But then the crowd, down here, like cheering them on and stuff, okay? Now, I'm no builder, so I hit up a guy on Discord to ask him what he would charge for a map. I talked to him a little bit, explained to him what I wanted. He said he'd charge 1K. I was like, all right, I'll pay you 10K. And he was so confused. But anyways, he got right to work on it, which was perfect. So the first image out of the map was right here, as you can see, just a little bit of a frame. Honestly, on the right track. I couldn't picture the whole thing yet, but that's what I wanted. Then the second image he sent me right here was this layout of like a little upstairs, the main floor, the rap battle stage, and then a nice little sign up there, which this was literally getting pretty perfect. This is almost exactly what I envisioned in my head. Then he sent me another progress pic. As you can see, the roof was finished, the lighting was done, and we added some little trees. Then he added chairs and all that, and from then, it was pretty much done. I told him a few little things I wanted to change, but after you changed that, it was essentially perfect. Now, as you can see, here is the final map. It's looking pretty good in my opinion. We put these lights up here. We got the DJ booth. We added a little bathroom over here, so in case you want to walk away. And then the rappers, of course, will be up here, and then everyone will be on the crowd standing right here and cheering them on. This is going to be so sick. So once again, hit up a few more people, and as you can see, we got a nice little logo here. Pretty simple, but exactly what I wanted, so it's fine. Then I hit up another guy for a game thumbnail, and as you could see, this was the end result. I'm not going to lie, I didn't like the lighting in this picture too much, but I mean, it's just a thumbnail at the end of the day. Like, it does the job. I don't really mind, so I didn't make him do too much to fix it. Then he also made the game icon, and that was pretty good in my opinion. It's pretty solid, what I asked for. He did a good job. And as you can see, it's my avatar rapping, so it's like, rap battles. It'll match with the title. And then I also hit up one more guy for some Game Pass icons, and as you can see, this is how it turned out. A nice little emotes icon, a DJ booth icon, and then a custom sign you'll be able to hold. Pretty cool. Okay, and then the first thing I had to do was actually make it so we had some sort of timer-based system, and 2 players we teleported to the stage every so often. So as you can see, I made that. We're in the intermission right now, 15 seconds left, but since we didn't have 2 players, it basically said we needed 2 players to start, and we couldn't start the game. So let me actually guys show you what happens if you have 2 players. All right, so as you can see, we're both in the game, and once the intermission is over, we're both going to teleport to the stage, and it'll put us in our little rap battle position. So just give it a second, and you'll see what I mean. But as you can see, we're both in the stage right in front of each other, and with voice chat enabled, this is going to be sick. I lowered the timer for the rap battle, but as you can see, it also has you vote for the winner, and the images don't load because there's not actual real players, but they would if they could. And then as you can see, you vote, and player 2 is the winner. So now we got that working, but I still need to find some nice beats for it, so to the Roblox catalog we go. Now, I'm not gonna lie, I probably should have uploaded my own beats, but I just started looking up like certain rappers and then like type beat. So like Drake type beat, and that's how I found my beats. So let's listen to one of these. Nah, that one's kind of trash. Okay, this was not too bad, but like, you gotta go through them basically and listen to each one, but I picked like 5 or 6 beats. I'm actually gonna pick this one too, I'm not gonna lie, it's kind of fire. And let me actually just add this beat real quick. So there we go, beat number 6, and we got the ID for it, perfect. Now I would show you guys actually how it sounds with the beat and all that, but I'm gonna wait until the actual game and we have 2 people rapping, because then it'll be a lot more fun, and you'll see what I mean then. Alright, so now that I have the basic framework working and also the beats, I needed to make sure that only players with voice chat can join. Now I could make it only players with voice chat could rap, right, so they could be on the stage, but the people in the crowd won't even be able to hear them, because if they don't have voice chat, they literally can't hear them. So it'll basically just be kind of ruining the game and wasting like space for the servers. So one little script on your client, literally this is all you need. You can look it up or copy and paste it if you want, but as you can see, this will make it so only players with voice chat will be in the server. Every time someone joins and they don't have voice chat, they will get kicked from the game. And I'll show you the message that they get actually. So as you can see, let's say you join and you don't have voice chat, it says boom, you were kicked from the experience, you do not have voice chat enabled, please re-enable it and then join back. So yeah, that's pretty cool. Now I also made a little leaderboard too, so as you can see, we have the top rappers. If I join the game, you'll see it's gonna load here in a second, but basically these are all the top rappers and they'll place on the leaderboard. Now I'm not gonna lie, the design for this leaderboard was kind of trash, okay, so don't mind that. But yeah, leaderboard nonetheless, that way people will get wins, they can actually have them in the game, which will be cool. Alright, now pretty much all I needed to add at this point was just a little bit of UI and we're basically done. Alright, I didn't want to add nothing crazy, but as you can see, I just added a shop, some emotes, the custom sign I was talking about for the Game Pass, a DJ booth pass, which basically will allow you to go up into the stage right here, and you'll be able to stand up here, which will be kind of cool. And also, if you guys saw earlier, I made an emotes Game Pass, but I didn't want to make everything like a Game Pass, so I gave them emotes for free. So guys, let me actually show you guys the emotes. They're actually pretty good, I'm not gonna lie. So I picked just just a few of them. I don't want to like overload it with emotes. So as you can see, press the emotes button. So as you can see, we got the default dance. Okay, I can just picture the music in my head. Then we got some hype, you know what I'm saying, a dab. And then this is my favorite, honestly, the worm. So when you're up on the stage and you're having a good time, you could just kind of bust out a move and do the worm. I think that'll be good for the game and it'll kind of add to it. Now also I have a custom sign here, which is a game pass, but if you buy, you can basically write any text here you want, which is pretty cool. So as you can see, let's say, hello, vote me. And if you hit enter, basically everyone sees this text. And this is the shop. Pretty bad, honestly. Like I said, don't mind the UI, okay? But it does its job. And also has a little effect here when you hover over it, so that's kind of cool. And then the DJ booth, all it does is teleport you to the DJ booth, so yeah. So you go in and out whenever you want. Now as you can see though, if you don't have the game passes, this is what it will look like. It'll be locked, and if you press the button, then it can unlock. So that's kind of cool how that works. Alright, anyways, at this point, the game is pretty much done. Literally everything is done. You get teleported, you have the beats, you have the voting system. All we need is some actual players to play the game and actually have some cool rap battles. So now I'm going to go ahead and publish the game, and then we're going to move into the actual gameplay, and I'm going to show you guys some funny clips of the game. Alright, so I got the game uploaded already, and I'm going to change the name to Rap Battles, and I'm also going to put the game icon, put a little description, and then we'll be done. Alright, so I'm going to put voice chat rap battles. This is going to be actually sick. I'm excited to see people play the game. It's going to be so much fun. Alright, so as you can see, we have the name, we have some really basic description, okay? Just told them to enable voice chat, and then let's go ahead and see the game icon if it loaded, and boom, this is how it's going to look, okay? I know we have 66% dislike ratio or like ratio. I think people joined earlier and disliked it, but it's whatever. But actually, I'm not going to lie, the icon looks pretty fire. Like, I actually kind of like that. A little dark, but I think it'll work. Anyways, now that the game's done, we're going to go ahead and get into some clips of it and show you guys basically some real rap battles. Alright, enjoy. Alright guys, so as you can see, we're in the game, okay? We have a few people here, and we're about to have a rap battle. I hope it's not me, honestly. I'm really bad. I'm really bad at freestyling and rapping, so let's pray for the best. Oh
shoot.
Yeah.
It's me and Vic.
You go first. You go first.
Yeah. Yeah, he left. I don't need nobody. I don't need no girl. I don't need no shawty.
Oh.
All I do is keep my flabby.
Oh.
Keep my flabby. Yeah, I'm in the stew. Yeah, I'm with my dudes, and I get mad. Yeah, I get rude. What's up, Tap? You cute, boo. Yeah.
What? You called me cute. Hopefully it's not me. Oh, it's me. Okay. Alright, sorry. I want you to rap first. You go first.
Look at this dude wearing fake Supreme on the side of the stage.
Why are you roasting the audience?
Man, no one's safe on this stage, bro. I'm roasting everybody.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to vote me respectfully. I'm not sure why your avatar didn't pop up. That's tough. Nah. Oh, look who won.
He didn't even rap. He didn't even rap.
You like my sign though?
Oh, I'm on the stage.
Alright. You go first.
I'm on the stage. I lit a sage. Yeah, cause my booty stink.
What?
Alright, your turn.
Alright. Hey. You know my name is Tap, and I like to rap, and you look like you cap.
Oh,
you got fake. Yeah, I'm not very good at freestyle. I'm not gonna lie.
No, I'm just kidding. Let me actually rap. Let me talk about this little boy named Tap. If I see you on my block, I'ma shoot you with my strap.
Yo!
On my stage, I'ma hit you from the back.
Damn, I'm not even gonna lie. I gotta vote you, bro. That was fire. Alright, guys. Well, that's the end of the video. Hope you guys did enjoy it, okay? That was kind of funny, but if you guys want to play the game, feel free to. Just link in the description below. Anyways, be sure to leave a like if you enjoyed the video, and also subscribe for more videos like this one. But I'll see you in the next one. Peace.